In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove connected apps and websites in Facebook, Instagram, Gmail account. We're going to keep this clear and simple so you can tidy up your online accounts and reduce unnecessary access in just a few minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you like. Using a desktop makes everything easier to see and control. Next, log into your Facebook, Instagram, or Gmail account on the desktop version. You can follow along with any one of them. The process is very similar across all three. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the page for a small menu icon. It may appear as 3 dots or 3 lines. Click that to open the main menu, then choose Settings. This is your control center for how your account behaves and what has access to it. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security. This is where platforms group controls related to your data, permissions, and third-party access. Open that section, then find the area that mentions third-party cookies, app permissions, or connected apps and websites. Different services use slightly different wording, but the idea is the same. You're heading to the place where outside apps and sites are listed. Now click See All Site Data and Permissions. This brings up a detailed list of apps and websites that currently have some level of access to your account. Think of this as a snapshot of everything you've granted access to over time, maybe through log in with buttons or by connecting tools to your social accounts. Scroll through the list carefully. Take your time and look for anything you don't recognize, no longer use, or simply don't need connected anymore. A good rule of thumb is to keep only what you actively rely on. If an app looks unfamiliar, it's safer to remove it. You can always reconnect later if necessary. When you find something you want to revoke, click the trash bin icon next to its name. The platform may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the removal. This action stops that app or site from accessing your account going forward. Keep in mind, removing access here won't delete your account with that third-party service. It only severs the connection to your Facebook, Instagram, or Gmail. Work your way down the list, removing each unwanted item. When you're done, you've tightened your privacy and reduced potential security risks. Make it a habit to repeat this review regularly. Every few months is a great cadence so your accounts stay clean, secure, and under your control.